it's giveaway time, and I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. February 2025, and we're starting off this week, which is the first week of February, a bi-weekly Audiopipe giveaway. And the first week is this bad boy right here, which we just released a video for that you have to watch to win this. Because in the video, there's a code word. I'm going to get to that, so I'll make it fast. This is the new DSP Bluetooth 8-channel monster right here, and we're giving this away to a lucky winner. How do you win? Well, always you gotta like this video, you gotta share this video out, and then you gotta comment your name, location, and why you should win. Why the name? Because sometimes people use funky names for their Facebook names or YouTube names or whatever. So do that. Then I want you to text the word Audiopipe to 737 Big Jeff. That's 737-244-5333. You will get an auto reply saying, thank you for entering. Please send us the code word. And the code word was in the video of the unboxing, so you gotta watch that. So yeah, 2 steps, but I need you to watch the unboxing. Share this out, comment, hit that like button, and guess what? Every 2 weeks, we're gonna be doing another Audiopipe giveaway, at least through tax season. Already made a deal with Audiopipe, and we're gonna do a different item, an unboxing and a giveaway video every 2 weeks. So you have multiple chances to win in the next few months. So this giveaway this is really cool, the ADSP-CLEAN-8A, which is an 8-channel DSP, watch the unboxing, Bluetooth app, the whole works, starts now.